You want a race?
Go find out where he lives in real life if you don't mind. Whoa! What up, boys? I'm starting to realize I may have somewhat of a legitimate problem with showing up places on time. So I'm gonna haul it, but I'm meeting up with the man, and we're gonna do some more Honda Grom things, some Gromtivities. Probably some more wheelie parking lot practice shenanigans, amongst other things with the Grom, because the Grom is great. Maybe I get back on the Grom. I want to get back on the Grom. I'm fully suited up. You know how it is. It's a fully suited up type of day. Shit's about to get wild. Hopefully, he kind of forgives me a little bit for being super late, because I snagged him a Monster energy drink out of my fridge, and he loves those. So, hopefully that helps my case just a little bit. But it is not likely. Alright, I'm about to go fast real quick. Well, as fast as I can on this thing. Are in distress. What up, bro? I can't help you. Ooh, maybe I'm not gonna floor it here. I like flooring it on this epic downhill, but if I can't 100% guarantee there's not a cop like coming that way, then I'm not gonna do it. Oh, but I see a window of grand opportunity. It's been a mess, but I got you a white Monster, so that helps. Check that out.
I'll take it.
All right, you guys, you know the vibes. We got the Grom, we got the Honda Grom. Grom on the sidewalk. Can't turn the camera off at all, because whenever I do, he does something funny. I swear he has a sixth sense for whenever I turn off the damn camera. Oh shit, what he about to do? Oh shit, what he about to do? I don't know if that was it. What he about to do? What is he about to do? Oh. You fucking knee down. Is the camera even still on? Ah, shit, it is. Okay, well, I'm gonna turn it off. I don't know what's fucking going on, but if he does some shit when I turn it off, I swear to God. Is that his hand down? He put his hand down, yeah, so he started doing some shit. What? Dude, your stoppies are getting good. What up, chat? Are we rolling? Oh, we got the Grom. Oh, is he doing like a mating call on my own bike to me? Fucking circling me? What the fuck? Nah, but dude, I swear to fuck, I just hit like a legitimate wheelie on this thing right there. Really? Yes, bro. I got it on the GoPro. I guarantee you it looks like shit on the GoPro. But that felt so cool, dude. Oh my God, I need to buy a Grom. Dude, what if I start a GoFundMe, buy me a Grom, and take the money to Vegas, get 2 Grom? It's genius. He's knee down on my shit. What are we doing here? Hold on, let a man get protected. Let a man get goddamn protected. Alright, well, we're doing some bike shenanigans, switcheroo. He's getting the R3 out so he can record some content for his 1 gazillion followers. And he's let me stay on the Grom because I love the Grom. Even though this guy is bigger than me on every platform by like more than 10x. Shout out the boy. Go find out where he lives in real life if you don't mind, if you're watching this, and like go give him a kiss on the cheek or like $5 or something. Give him something. He's a very kind man. Waiting for me when I'm late and let me use the Grom. You want a race? Huh? You want a race? Oh, Jesus. Alright, come on. Easy win for the Grom. Everybody knows Grom beats R3 every day. on, Grom, you can still catch him. Come on, Grom, you can still catch him. Grom, come on, Grom, it's not over. It's not over. Come on, Grom. Ah, it's over. Good fight, though, Grom. I believe in you. It was very close. Jesus, it sounds like there's a monster behind me when he downshifts. Chad, I swear to God, I just hit the best wheelie of my fucking life and I almost lost it, and I wasn't recording because I didn't think I'd be able to do that. Whoa! No way! All right. Huh? Do you know how to power slide? Bro, that's crazy.
You didn't see the video where I learned that?
No.
Oh.
Or if I did, I forgot. Damn, the hoes gotta watch out for me, dude. We rocking, we rolling. All right, boys. Listen, I failed at my one job, which is to fucking record. I looped the Grom. I don't know how. I didn't loop it. I scraped it. It went all the way fucking I got scared and I took my foot off the rear brake, which is what you're not supposed to do. So I came fully off, still held on, and saved it somehow. But the Grom is taking some damage. I don't know how I did that. Since when does this guy know how to do a burnout? Since when do you know how to do a burnout?
Since just now.
That's great. How did you do that? Oh. Whoa! Dude, that one was fucking cool, bro. God damn, this is so fun. Oh my god. Oh. Oh shit! Oh fuck, is it good? Oh fuck, that's not good.
Oh, that's not good at all, actually.
Oh fuck, I fucked up the Grom. Oh no. The foot peg is fully snapped. You need a...
Damn, how
the metal snap, bro.
Oh, that sucks. That sucks.
This is gonna cost me money.
How do you manage that?
I don't know.
That is insane.
Fuck, bro, I'm so sorry.
In there.
Bro, I'm so sorry. That is not fixable. I need to buy you a whole new thing.
You kick it? Like, to switch gears?
To what, neutral?
No, like, because if not, we gotta ride the whole way back and first.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
So we're not gonna tell him you were doing wheelies.
Definitely not. Got a hole in my glove now.
We will tell him.
Alright, boys. Terrible events have led to me being on the boys' R3. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. How does he ride like this? This is insane. So like every mod has been done to this dude's R3. Grips, handlebars, rear set risers. I mean, I have never been in such an aggressive position before. This is crazy. He's telling me not to worry about fucking up his Grom. But I feel so bad. And I forgot he's on the Grom, which is so slow. We can't shift it out of first. This thing is so aggressive. Where the homie? God damn, I can't see behind me. Where the homie? That 2 cars, not the homie. Where the homie? Dude, it is so aggressive. How the fuck do you do this? This is crazy, actually. You guys get to have one guess into what type of situation we have found ourselves in again. You would have think we learned the first time. You would be wrong. We're trying to get to that side where it's, ow! Oh, it's stab, oh! Whoa! Oh, it's stabbing the neck. We were literally on our way to my house to beat the rain, so this doesn't happen, but you know what? The rain had fucking other plans. Whoa! Holy shit! Chat, I need to calm down. Today has not been my day. This rain, not helping. What the fuck am I doing? I just said I need to calm down. Lock in. I don't care he's over there. I'm doing my own thing. Fuck that guy. I love that guy, but fuck that guy. I'm doing my own thing. Bro, back there, when we just took the exit to 2222, I lost the rear twice. Fuck the rain. Bro, fuck the rain.